Raven Beats.
What's good, YouTube? What up, my people? It's been a while, right? I haven't uploaded anything in a minute, so today I'm gonna take this time out to just do a video on changing my brake pads for the front of this car. When I get to my friend's house, I'm just gonna give you a rundown of the stuff that I've done to the car already. This is my 2005 Honda Accord. I've done some shit to it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I kind of messed up a few stuff like the tinting. Yeah, the last video I dropped was me putting the Civic, the SI, in storage. So so today I'm just gonna do a video changing my brake pads. You know, it's been a while. I need to upload more, but you know, as life goes, work and other stuff you have to balance in your life. But I upload short videos, you know, consistently on a regular basis just to keep my subscribers entertained. I'm just gonna push this content out. I'm just gonna improvise. I've done a lot more to the car. I've done other stuff to the car that I should have recorded, but yeah, mind space. I'm just like, I can't bother to record this. So this will be helping me today, you know, because I don't have anyone to hold the camera, so or the phone. So I'm gonna use this to, you know, record while I change the brake pads on the car. Oh, also, it is 4 degrees outside. It's cold, which is why I'm wearing this thing. But yeah, these are the brake pads. These are the cheap ones. I paid $24, I think, plus tax for this. So yeah, hopefully it goes well. Hopefully. Yeah, so let's get it. Yeah, so now I'm about to leave and go change these damn brakes, bro. Dun, 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 dun. That noise you're hearing is a power steering noise. I think it's leaking or something. So, what the hell? I think it broke down. Yep. Tow truck for the bus. Another day. Oh. Bum, 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 bum. Oh my god. This car drives like a cab, like a taxi. I swear to God. Well, if you grew up in Jamaica, you would know what I mean. I feel like a car would drive on the road and be a pothole, brother. Winning straight, cross sugar, but my don't believe in street. And if you notice, the wheels, they're straight, but the steering wheel is crooked to the right. I'm gonna leave it as it is. It's crooked to the right. So I definitely need an alignment, but I ain't getting one. I ain't spending no more money on this car. I spent $900 on this car recently because I broke an axle in Halifax. So I'm done spending. Plus I had to pay a tow truck $160, and I had one key, so I had to pay an extra $20 for him to open the door because the car was locked. You know, so you know, I wasn't gonna drive from Dartmouth to Halifax to give him the keys to the car. Basically, I spent over $1,000 just to fix. Well, I didn't just change the axle. I changed the upper control arms and the 2 axles because one of them broke, and the one on the right was making a weird sound. I think it's a CV joint. So I didn't want that to fail on me again. So I just paid the money and just changed all of it, you know, because this is the only car for winter. So yeah, $1,000 later, I'm still hearing front end noise. The steering wheel is crooked. You know, I have an oil leak. My brake pads are, well, these brake pads cost like 20 something, but yeah, cars are a liability, but it's convenient, I guess. It takes you from point A to point B. Can't complain. And the insurance is cheaper for this car compared to the Civic. So, you know, it's a bitch just to pay so much money just to fix a car. You know, I could have done it myself, but it's winter. Well, it's winter to me now because it's cold. It's 4 degrees outside. You know, I ain't working on no car in this weather. So maybe if I didn't have the money to fix the car, I wouldn't have a choice. I would have to fix it in the cold. But oh well. Almost there. Sweet. Yes, so now we're here. I'm gonna get the jug. Get the jug. Come on. Oh my god. Gotta get my gloves. Jeez. Oh. And my tools. So now, first thing you do, first thing you do is crack the nuts or crack the bolt. So it's easy at the pull when you bring the car up. Because if you don't crack these, you're gonna have issues once the tire gets off the ground. So now, this is pretty simple. I'm gonna change the brake pads. They're pretty worn. Upper control arms, I changed these recently. Now, this is the thing that broke the last time. This is called the axle. Get a nice angle. So this is the axle, it broke right here. Yeah, these bushings are done. I need to change these. Making a weird noise when I drive. But anywho, let's get back to it. I'm just gonna change these. To change these, it's pretty easy. You crack this bolt, well, the bottom one, and you lift this part up. Take the shoes, the brake pads out, put the new ones in, slap it back in. Well, it's not that easy, but I'll show you. Because there's a piston in the caliper right here, so I'll get into it. You'll see. So you're gonna need a 14 for this, and then you just pull that and it should lift up, but based on how rusty this thing is, we'll see. So it's pretty simple. Oh, wrong side. Get off. So go on. Oh, I think that's tightened. Oh my god, today's not my, it's too cold. Oh my god, that's a bitch. Alright, this won't work, so I gotta use the big boy. Use the big boy. So I'm gonna use the big boy. The big boy should do it. Okay, extend. Good. Oh, I was going the wrong way. So use the 14 and you pull this. Simple. You pull this all the way out. You take that out. Oh, it's cold. Take this out. Then pry it open. It's simple. You lift it. Come on, up. And that's so you get the thing open. Then, now, with this is called the piston, right? This rests on the brake pads, right? So when you put your foot on the brakes in the car, this thing pushes out and it squeezes the pads together and then brakes, you know. Anyhow, that's the best way I can explain it. But anyhow, so this thing is kind of broken, but you should be able to see what I'm doing because there's a hole in the piston, which is, this is a piston, right? So now I'm gonna put the shoe right here and then I'm gonna reinforce it like this. Oh my god, come on. Yes. Then I'm gonna tighten it. Oh, it's not a 14, it's a 15. Alright. So these are the new ones. The inner one goes in first and goes in like that. This one goes in like this. Oh my god. There we go. Simple. So basically finished now. Same thing I do on the right side, I do on the left side.